welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, so today I have a crafty little craft to do with you. This is a Dollar Tree craft, very simple to do. I saw this on Instagram. What I'll do is I'll link the person's Instagram account down below so that you can check them out yourself as well. So I want to give them all the credit for this. I did tell them that I was going to borrow their idea. So okay, so these are the key rings. These are just key rings that you could get at Dollar Tree, and any type of colors. I don't really know what colors there were. These were the only colors I could find. And you just turn them into Christmas wreaths. I mean, so simple, so easy. All you need is some pom-poms. You need some, now she had made a bigger bow for the top of hers, but I'm not very good at making bows, so I had these smaller bows, so that's what I used, is a smaller bow. And some of the little snowflakes I used. So this was her idea, but I did think it was so cute that I wanted to share it with you guys. And hopefully you guys, I did see that they are still selling these at the Dollar Tree, so you can still purchase these, and everything else is at the Dollar Tree. You can get at the Dollar Tree. Now these pom-poms, these ones I did get at Joann's. These I got at Joann's, and these ones I got at Walmart, the white ones. But these Christmas ones I did pick up at the Dollar Tree. So if you wanted to do like the mint green one, you could do a different size of the white ones from the Dollar Tree. But what I'm going to do is I am going to use the ones that came from Joann's. I think they were like $1.99, and then they were on sale on top of it, so I really didn't have to worry. You know, they were like less than $1, and there was 100 in there. So, and I will be using these stars, or not stars, these snowflakes, and I did get these snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. So they are the clear ones. They also do come in blue, but for this one I will be using the clear ones. And for my bow, I will be using these. These are the Ofray brand. I got these at Walmart. They were on clearance, and I got them only for 10 cents. So I don't know if you could get these any longer or not. I don't know if they clearanced them out and are not getting them back, but this is what I used. So the first thing I am going to do is take off the tag, and I'm going to fluff this up just a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to see where I want to place my pom-poms. So, and I do want to use these little green ones also. So I think I am going to do the medium white ones, which are these ones. I'm going to do these 4 of the other color. So I'll get 4 green. Then I will be using, I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the snowflakes, and I got them right here. And then 1 of my little bows. Okay, so what I did at first is this is so simple. This is your top right here, and I just placed my little pom-poms where I want them to lay, and that is it. That is all that I did. So that is that. And then I put one here, and then you could put one up here. And I might put one, I don't know, I think I might do it that way. I'm just going to leave it that way. I mean, it's so simple. So all you have to do is just get your hot glue on your little pom-pom. And you kind of want them like across from each other. So I'm going to do it that way where I don't like that one. So they're going to be across from each other. Simple, simple, simple. And then the little tiny one. Super simple. Okay, so this is all you're gonna do. That is it. I'm terrible at hot gluing. I always have strings all over the place. I see all these other people and they're so nice and neat with their, not me. No, can't take me anywhere. I am a mess. Okay, this is like the fastest little DIY that I've ever done. So you could do it any colors you want. Any color you want, you could do this. And then I'm just going to top it with my little bow right there. And that is that. How cute is that? It's the cutest little thing. So, I mean, you could put as many of the little pom-poms on that you want, or you could just do snowflakes. You could do whatever you want to do. But this is the most simplest thing I've ever done. So I really did like it. I think I might, no, I think I might just keep it like that. I think I might, I'm looking to add more. Well, that might do it. I might do that. There you go. All right, guys, so this is my little wreath keychain from the Dollar Tree, all Dollar Tree products. So you can make this any style that you want, any way that you want. I just think it would be so cute on a present, in a stocking, as a little extra handmade gift for someone. Who doesn't love a handmade gift on Christmas? I mean, it's great. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. And together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.